What is up, YouTube? It is your boy Dolph back with another video. This video is gonna be going to Truck Madness. It's currently Saturday right now. We're about to go to the Airbnb, and yeah, we're gonna meet up with everyone. We're gonna mob over there to the Airbnb, and yeah, make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, share this video to someone, and yeah, stay tuned on the vlog. All right, Chad, before we head out, we're gonna go check the oil on this truck because I don't want anything to go down. Just check it real quick because it's been leaking a little bit of oil recently. So we're gonna check it out, see how much it got. God damn, that motherfucker's low-key a little low. Might have to add a little bit right now. Let me dip it again though. Unless because it's slanted going down, but I better check. Yeah, we need some oil on this bitch. All right, guys, we made it to our first gas station stop. Here with my uncle right here, and then we got a boy Castro on his truck. Yeah, boy Caesar. You ready or what?
Maybe.
Let me know what y'all think about this rap. This shit go crazy. We got the work truck calling it. Shit, the work truck or what, Castro?
Work truck.
Yo, we got everything over here ready. Pump some gas real quick and head over to our destination. All right, fellas, we just stopped at Costco, got a couple things here in Colorado Springs, and let me tell you, I wouldn't want to come here again to Colorado Springs because motherfuckers don't know how to act. They're all rude, but we got all this. Yup. We gotta think about this, JC.
Fuck that Chinese bitch in there.
We just waiting on the boy Lewis. I don't know where he's at. Where do you park at?
By the entrance.
Oh, okay. We gonna mob out together or what? I had to pull over, guys, because the strap untangled from the truck. So there's a lot of traffic out right now. And yeah, that shit could have caught onto the tire or something. Good thing I was behind Castro and I caught it. But yep. We're like 10 minutes away from the Airbnb though, so we'll see y'all there. Jeez. And Chad, who strapped this truck up, eh? Is it Castro? Who strapped it up, huh? What is it? Yeah, fully, man.
Acá, pendejo.
I thought you meant from up here, man.
I mean, you should, man. Where you talking about?
Right there?
Yeah, right there, the hook.
That's good. That's good right there. Here, Paul. Alright, guys, we made it to the Airbnb safely. This is the crib that we're gonna be staying at for 2 nights. Ugg needs a wash for sure though. Huh? But yeah. Just got here. I'm about to show y'all the Airbnb. Got a little nice living room right here. Dining area. This the kitchen. Damn, who got water burger? But this is the outside. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, this is the outside now. Little backyard. Not too crazy. We got a pillow outside. Who gonna sleep out here? JC, where your room at? Oh, we got the pool table over here on this side. Oh shit, you scared me. We got a pool table, a little basketball right here. If I make it in, y'all gotta subscribe. Fuck. Still subscribe. There you go. Second try.
Go talk. This is how you talk now? Hey.
Alright, YouTube, we about to unload Castro's truck. What you gotta say about this, JC?
I'm not saying there's too many goddamn straps in one place.
Tight?
He's the one that's supposed to be helping
Too many
unload.
straps, 5-minute drive.
Too many straps, not enough dikes. That's all I'm saying, motherfucker.
We got one gay dude and 4 guys.
Yeah, I'm a gay dude. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Let them know about me. Don't call like that in front of me. I'll do something to you.
Be the last time you bend over like that.
I know I felt a little I'll make a little deal with this motherfucker. Hey.
Tight?
Hey, yo.
It ain't on me, it's in me.
I saw big ass cameras. I ain't new to this, how true it is. Hey, fuck me if I'm wrong, but it's an equal boost, right?
Oh, I know. Yeah, this nigga should have just left it on neutral. We should have rolled the tires.
He'll be good.
Yeah, you don't That's cool, it's cool. It's flexible.
That be flexible, huh? Here's the back truck.
That nigga swaying. Look at that. You spikes got on that chicle. Got you, man.
I think he's fucking.
On that bitch.
Somebody baby mama discharged.
Low pregame right now. What you sipping on?
Black label with some squirt.
Una line right here. Y que le.
Que le chupe la verga, güey.
You know what we be?
Está como el dueño.
What you got on here, Castro?
That right there, the Terminator.
The motor.
The motor.
That's the motor.
That's the motor.
That's the motor.
Just made it to the car wash. We're gonna give these trucks a little rinse. Mine's pretty clean, but I think the front end might be a little dusty. So we're gonna clean the front. Y'all can't see, but it's a lot of bugs around here. And then on this side right here, all right here, full of bugs. So we're gonna, I don't know if I should wash it or not. I think it looks pretty clean, but we'll see. Got the boy Castro over here. Hey, are you gonna clean yours fully or what?
Sure, yeah.
Alright guys, we finally finished doing the little details. I still need to do a little bit of the outside. I'm gonna do a quick detailer, but we got the tire shine on, and then I cleaned the windshield, all the other ones, and then this trim, and then this back one right here. I changed it to black because I like the black better. But we gotta head out now.
roll back to the B&B.
You gotta make it right there. Come on, let's see what you got.
It's rolling, bitch. Man.
Knockout.
Woo! He shook his ass up right there. Oh, shit. That's a buzz, one buzz. Oh, shit.
Motherfuckers taking hits.
At 10 seconds, he's gonna go out and
You gotta get it rolled.
he could have knocked him out.
Alright guys, we're here waiting in line. We better get checked out and see if everything goes well. But yeah, check. We're about to set up the tent, guys. We out here. Hey, where's the bottle at? Who knows?
They didn't even check now. Got the whole bottle carried. They checked us twice though. They came in the truck twice.
Huh?
Where my mic at, nigga?
You're right here, man. You gotta talk to me.
Nah, let me get my mic.
It's over there. We got it in the spot. We gotta set up the tent right here in the middle, and then we're gonna park the trucks all around. But yeah, got my boys, Lightning, cousin, the uncle. Sheesh. Damn, chat. My paint over here chipping. Look at that. Cooked. My other cousin right here. Damn. Freshly polished wheels. All around. Ew, got a trash can. VIP access. Yo. That shit heavy? There you go.
Igual si lo quieren aventar para allá para la esquina. No, está bien, gracias, gracias.
Yo, you just eating some breakfast right now. Got some quesadillas.
Whoever needs wipes, I brought wipes.
Oh, yup.
That TikTok live?
Nah. This is for the YouTube. Squeeze that motherfucker in there.
last day of 10 times entries, but the giveaway ends May 31st. But after tomorrow, this shirt is only gonna be 10 entries, that's it, not 100 entries. So today's the last day here at the show and on the website for 10 times entries. Es lo último. To the 2019 F-150 twin turbo 620 horsepower to the wheels, sitting on 24s, 26s, and then it has a set of 17s by 10 in the back.
Good luck, Caesar. Good luck on that win.
Good luck,
Yeah.
good luck, hell yeah, good luck.
You better win that truck, man.
Good luck. Los sondeados. No solo en Ciudad para los compas, los sondeados que andan por todos lados también. Saludos para ustedes. Hell yeah.
Alright, Chad, we just got some enchilada mix from Scarface. Got a little sticker. Gee, hell yeah. We are currently getting some enchiladas. Yep. Here with the whole gang.
What card do I get? You guys take EBT? Alright, YouTube, we are currently here at the pin. They're about to start burning out.
But we made it in. Got a little Scarface drink, a little mixed drink. It's
Modelo with the spicy mango.
and then I got more over here. There it is. Check it out. Check it out. We got that spicy mango, and then
No, this is Big Pino. And then the other one is Pepino. Tired?
and then this is the spicy mango.
Yeah, check. Better get lit. No windshield, that's crazy.
Boy Freddy just pulled up. Sheesh. Clean little setup he got.
Let 'em breathe, man.
Chat must be nice. YouTube, we about to go on a little test run. My boy Castro. About to see what this truck does. And yeah. See if someone wants to race or what. Smoke some. Alright, YouTube, we're here on the track waiting in line. We're at second already. Gotta hold on. Yeah, we about to see what this puppy got. Alright, boys, we about to race this Jeep right here.
come make a drink with me. Adult style. With the Scarface cup. A little bit of ice. Alright, next, we're gonna put the bev in. Good enough, good enough. We're gonna put some Scarface. This is the pepino one. This one's good. Good enough. I'm kidding, chat. Try to get a pepino in there. There you go. Oh shit. There you go. Alright, now we gotta mix it. Got anything to mix it with? They see he about passed out right now. You got a spoon, boys? Taste test. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend.
Mantener three.
No,
and you
pero,
can
pero,
detenerle
mira,
de todo a todas las tres. Tenga tres, mijo.
Le voy a decir la cosa, mire.
Si
que
no-
es que tengo novio.
No. Ay, entonces usted quiere que lo mantengan a usted. Usted quiere que lo mantengan a usted.
Ojalá me toque una buena y sincera. ¿Cómo ves?
Mira, él tiene tres. Él tiene tres, pero yo no trabajo. Yo no trabajo, mi mamá. Si me va a tener casa y de todo, pues está bien.
Y ahorita,
Este es mi side hustle.
ey, ¿y ahorita qué está haciendo?
¿Ah?
¿Y ahorita qué
Ese
está
es mi
haciendo?
side hustle. Yo lo tengo trabajando ahí. Es mi chacho, hoy es mi chacho.
Ey, él es
Y
el
la
macho
otra
menos.
ya la tiene trabajando también. A esa sí la tiene trabajando.
Y-
¡Esa puta bulla, mi gente! ¡Estamos en una fiesta! ¡Está la gente de Colorado! ¡Los hombres esta puta noche! ¡Ando soltando putas! ¡Dale mal! A los que se pasan de verga yo no lo respeto. Déjense de que la mamá es carreguana. Me cagan los hocicos. Por eso mejor calladito no me tondo. Me festejo. Porque borraza cuando me caigan millones. ¡Ando soltando putazo y arremando! A los que se pasan de verga yo no lo respeto. Déjense de que la mamá es carreguana. Me cagan los hocicos. Por eso mejor calladito no me tondo. Me festejo. Porque borraza cuando me caigan millones.
Alright, boys, we better head out. We're gonna go back to the B&B. Got the truck right here. I gotta hop that motherfucker.
early the next morning. We went a little rowdy nights, but we had fun. JC
I
over
don't
here.
remember shit. Don't ask me.
He don't
that.
remember nothing, so don't even ask him. But yeah, we about to head out. We got everything loaded up. Well, actually, we loaded this up yesterday at the event. But when Castro's ready, I'm ready for a michelada. Little michelada mix. About to make another one again. About to head out, chat. Got the trucks all ready to go. But yeah, we had a fun time. Came to pump some gas because truck's on E. How you doing, JC? How you doing?
I'm doing fucking terrible. I feel like shit.
What it makes you like?
Yeah,
Yeah, better head out of here. Nice little view, chat. First sticker on the windshield. I used to have another one, but I got my windshield replaced and it took the sticker, so it's gone. But yeah, we rubbing a little bit in the back. Hopefully not too much. I don't want to crack my bed or nothing. But, yes, sir. YouTube, we made it back to the crib already. We got here like around like 12, I think. But yeah, everything went good. The whole trip was nice and everything. But yeah, next show that we're gonna be going on to is probably gonna be one in Texas. But y'all stay tuned with the vlogs. I'm gonna be posting a little bit more about this truck. We're gonna put some headers on. Hopefully the next video is gonna be headers and a full exhaust, but that's till the next video. And what else? Yeah, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment, and if you guys want to share the video, go ahead. But yeah, I appreciate y'all for all that, but we're going to end the vlog here.